Hello, my name is Phoenix Rose and I'll be answering the question, how clean is your school? A study of whether antibacterial sprays really kill germs as well as they claim. So firstly, we will be assessing my school, All Saints Academy. The school is very big with approximately 1,000 students and staff passing through each day, not to mention visitors too. They bring with them germs from home and other things like colds, flu and stomach bugs. The school is cleaned every day, and so you might say it's clean, but is it really? Illnesses can spread very quickly, and schools in Iowa, America, have started to sterilize door handles, desks, and lockers in order to prevent the fast spread of flu germs, something our cleaners don't do. Also, we are constantly bombarded with adverts for antibacterial sprays and cleaners which all say the same thing, kills 99.9% of bacteria. But do they really? Is there a difference between the most expensive product and the cheapest? Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome to my lab! I want to find microbes around the school, and in order to do that I need to make agar plates, and this is how you do it. First you measure 11.2 grams of agar powder. Then you fill the beaker up to 400 milliliters with deionized water. After this, you put the lid on and shake thoroughly. It now needs to be sterilised in the autoclave, but before you put it in, you have to take the lid off a quarter of a turn so it doesn't explode. Now that the agar has been sterilised, I can make my agar plates. To keep the agar sterile, we use it near a Bunsen burner. Before we take the lid off, we run it through the flame. We do the same with the neck of the bottle each time we pour a new plate. I swabbed the button on the water fountain, the finger scanner on the squid machine, a computer mouse in the library, a lift button, a smartboard pen, an internal classroom window, the banister, the door panel on the sixth form study room door, and a teacher's desk. After transferring the microbes into the agar plates, I sealed each one with tape. I then put them into the incubator for 48 hours. Now that my agar plates have been incubated, I can take them out and look at them. I wonder what these microbes... Now we can look at antibacterial sprays and how effective they are against germs. But first we need to make our E. coli plates. To make E. coli plates, we use an inoculating loop. First we sterilise it by putting it in the flame. Then we let it cool for a bit. After it's cooled, we can take the E. coli and scrape some onto my loop. Then we can transfer it onto my clean agar plate. Lastly, we have to sterilise the loop again in the flame.
The school general spray and the school bathroom cleaner.
I then added 2 milliliters of antibacterial spray to each of my E. coli plates. I did this twice with 3 types.
When I got my E. coli plates out of the incubator, it was not what I expected. The sprays appeared to have not worked. From my results, we can say that All Saints Academy is actually quite clean, much cleaner than what we expected. As for the antibacterial sprays, we can say the results are quite surprising on many accounts. First, the sprays turned into a weird milky substance. Second, even though the two plates have the same cleaning agent on, they look different to each other, which doesn't make sense. And last, the sprays actually didn't kill the E. coli. This is probably because of the method we used and not the spray itself. Also, this was probably because we didn't wipe the surface after spraying it on, as you would in normal situations.